Gentleman Gardener, and we're going outside today. Today, we're going to give you a quick update on our figs that we have going, and I think you'll see we got a lot of growth. So don't mind the wind. I feel a little like Winnie the Pooh out here. It's so windy, but let's take a look. So here's our update. This is 1 week in from the last time that I videotaped this for you. Lots of growth already. You can see all of that leaf growth right there. All right, and once again, we're using clay pebbles right there as our sort of growing medium, and using an old used milk container that we have. And if you look inside, check out all the root growth there. Lots of root growth already popping out right directly through the mesh cup, which is wonderful. And then you can look in and you can see the hydroponic solution in there. You'll see a little bit of brown dust. I change it every few days. Really about once a week I try to change that out. That really comes from the clay pebbles. Doesn't cause any damage. And if you'll notice here, I've got here, can't see it quite, but that goes down into the handle. I use that, and that holds the air hose. So I'm pumping fresh air into our fig planting. And as you can see, 1 week, tons of growth. I actually have a bet with someone that we're going to get to 3 feet growth in just 3 months time. So we'll see. All right, I hope you enjoy.